Okay, it's Monday morning. It's a little after 10. Had a late start this morning. I worked on this thing forever last night. Okay, the short version is I have a no start situation with my LT swap. I still got a few things to do. I got to put a trans line on or a trans cooler on, for a few of the things. But getting to the no start situation, this Jeep does have, somebody had wired in this kill switch. I had never used it. I made sure it was working. But when I turn the key on and I check the shift, it goes into drive, goes into tap shift mode. I can shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's as high as it goes. Then it goes into drive mode. When I turn the key on, which is it's on right now, I have power to this radio, which I did not wire, and I got the cigarette lighter. When I turn the power, I'm going to engage the start. The radio drops off, and I lose power to the cigarette lighter. And it all comes back on. But when I come out here, I've got my leads hooked up to the start signal, the ground. When I turn the key, it engages the start signal. I hear the starter relay in the tip 'em. I don't hear anything at my start. And then the relay clicked off. I want to check some grounds. Again, I got to put my trans cooler on, and I got some cleanup stuff to do here. I'm actually going skiing this afternoon. But this is the questions I have today, is why am I losing that signal?